Word 2013, Unit G, add a cover page. If we want to quickly finalize a report, give it a really professional look, we can insert one of the many pre-designed cover pages that comes with Microsoft Word. Cover page designs can range from being really conservative and businesslike to being full of color and attention-grabbing. Each cover page design includes placeholder text and property controls that you can replace with your own information. So let's finalize the tour report by inserting a really eye-catching cover page that will mirror the design of our report. To get started, let's click the Insert tab above the ribbon and find the Pages group and choose Cover Page. And notice the many different looks that we have available. We're going to use the Motion cover page. And our Motion cover page is automatically added to the beginning of our document. Notice also that our tour name was added to the title property control. Let's click the Year property control. I'll click the drop down here. And I'm simply going to select today so that today's year will be used. Let's also change the background color for the text box that contains our title. Do make sure that you're not selecting simply the title, but rather the text box itself that surrounds everything. Now let's go to Drawing Tools and Format and change our shape fill. And we're going to pick brown. Brown accent 2. Right now I have a black outline surrounding my text box. I'm going to change that shape outline as well, and I'll pick white. Finally, we can click the light gold shape that's to the right of our word beach to select the entire text box, or the entire shape here. And let's go back to our shape fill, and for this we'll pick green accent 1. Not sure I selected that. Let me choose undo and try that one more time. Notice what I did select. I selected that little text box there. Now I think I have everything selected. That looks much better. Now if we scroll down just a bit, notice we can view the author, the company name, as well as the date controls at the bottom of our page. And I'm noticing, I guess, a spelling issue. I'm going to right click and go ahead and fix that. Now if we scroll back up just a bit, and we don't have to go too far actually, let's right click our photo, which right now for me is a train. I don't need that. We're talking about trips to Kenya. So I'm going to right click, and from my shortcut or context sensitive menu, because remember I didn't left click, we left click to select, we right click to get our context sensitive menu, right click and choose change picture. Now the textbook says that we can type lion photograph in the office.com clip art search text box. Well, since I have Bing available here, I'm going to go ahead and click right here and type lion photograph and hit enter on my keyboard. And I'm not going to try to get exactly the same lion that the textbook used. I'm just going to grab any one of these pictures that I really like. Now, if I go to View, and I'm already on multiple pages, so you're not going to see any big change unless I click something else and go to multiple pages. But I kind of get a sense for how my cover page fits in with the rest of my article. The book also mentions, by the way, we just did a search for lion photograph. You could have tried other keywords like Africa or Kenya or any other animal name. Let's click the View tab. And we've already done multiple pages. Let's do Control Home just to make sure that we're at the very top of our document. We're going to insert a logo now. Let's go to Insert, and the Pictures button in the Illustrations group. And it just so happens that we're going to need the QST logo.jpg file. And I've already downloaded my file from Canvas. By the way, just to clean this up a bit, I'm going to go ahead and drag that into the right place. I like to be somewhat organized. And now that I have it here, I guess I'll just choose it from this location. While it's still selected, I'm going to select position. And I want position in bottom left with square text wrapping. Looks pretty good. Go ahead and feel free to submit this document, but we're not quite through with Word G. This is a good place to stop for now, though.